Today everyone, our tackle is all about Dr. Jose Rizal as a doctor and a teacher. Dr. Jose Rizal's journey into medicine and education was never random. Every year and milestone carry a clear mission. Uplift the Filipino people, his skills as a healer and mentor grew alongside his awakening as a nationalist. In 1887-1882, Rizal studied medicine and philosophy at the University of Santo Tomas in Manila. The big push behind this path was a personal. His mother, Teodora Alonso, was suffering from worsening eyesight. He dreamed of restoring her vision. In 1882, he left the Philippines secretly and continued medical studies at the Universidad Central de Madrid in Spain. In 1885, graduated with a licentiate in medicine. In 1886, moved to Heidelberg, Germany to specialize in ophthalmology, training under world-renowned eye experts like Dr. Otto Becker. He wrote poetry here inspired by the blooming German spring, but this moment hid a deeper purpose, honing the skill to heal his mother. 1887-1888, work at the University Eye Hospital in Berlin. Published No Le Metangere. 1887, which enraged the Spanish friars but empowered the Filipino spirit. Practice with the revolution in mind. 1888-1892. 1888, he began to practice as an ophthalmologist abroad but was already prepared to go home to serve his people. 1889-1891, while in Europe, he continued medical work, research, and also published El Filibusterismo, the novel that shook the colonial system even harder. 1892, Rizal returned to Manila. He opened a clinic and operated on his mother's eye. Through her sight was fully restored, he did everything science could offer. That same year, he founded La Liga Filipina, July 3, 1892, to promote education, unity, and reform. The Spanish saw this as a threat. Days later, he was arrested and exiled in Dapitan. Rizal, the teacher in Dapitan, 1892-1896. Exile did not silence Rizal. It turned him into a full-power community builder. 1893, he created the school for local boys. Classes included like reading and writing, arithmetic and geometry, Spanish and English, geography and history, practical skills like farming, fishing, carpentry, physical training like sports, hygiene, and gymnastics. His students helped him map the Pitan, build water system, and cultivate crops. He wasn't just teaching lessons, he was shaping future citizens. A doctor again, now healing a nation while teaching. Rizal continued practicing medicine, built a small hospital and treated hundreds of patients. Wealthy, wealthy patients paid the full received free care. Used earning to improvement community life, performed more successful as surgeries proving his expertise. 1896, as the Philippine Revolution ignited, Spanish authorities blamed him. Even though he rejected violence, they sentenced him to death. He faced the firing squad on December 30, 1896, leaving a legacy that did not perish with him.
A formar! Carguen! Apunte! Consumatum est!